All right, what we've learned over the years, and especially in this era, is that when it comes to relationships, it's definitely not one size fits all. So one type that's been getting a lot of buzz lately is an open one, but it's not for everybody, can I tell you? So we're going to weigh the pros and cons and find out if it's for you. I mean, it's not for Spanish Town already.
This comes from www.marriage.com.
All right.
And I'm sure you heard about the entanglement. And then somebody tell me, say one named situationship. I don't know what those mean. But it says an open marriage, the first headline says it provides an emotional freedom. Apparently an open marriage, so let's start here. Apparently an open marriage is that, so Delia and I are married and she can do what she wants, she can see other people if she wants, and I can do the same. Apparently that's what it means, apparently. So it says it provides emotional freedom. So it's hard relying on one person to meet all your emotional needs. Well, my first question, if that is so, why are you married in the first place? If the one person you don't think can manage it. Especially because they might need something that differs from what you need at any given moment. So that is often the key driver for people to want to deal with the pros and cons of an open relationship. Well, the first thing I would say, if you don't think, or if I don't think Delia is enough for me and I need more, then I probably would marry to her. Well, probably, I would marry to her in the first place.
Amen.
No, so?
Absolutely.
So you into the open relationship thing?
Not gonna work.
All right, what them say about the second thing now?
Potentially create a deeper bond. It says they can bring you, if they bring you closer to your primary partner. So imagine being able to talk about all your deepest desires and fantasies with your partner and still act on them.
So why I need a third person to do that?
You also have the excitement of having someone new in your life that you can openly talk about.
So me and you married and I just come and say, you know that me and Vinette having a relationship. Are you all right with
Am I
that?
supposed to say, really?
Yeah, and you said,
Oh,
but
Vinette is such a nice
yeah,
girl.
she's such a nice girl.
Never
So
been like that for you.
why you never do it long time? No, sir, me don't play that. It says more connections. And this says, by the way, we're reading this thing, you know, I don't want to feel say.
Delia
never say, one must open up in a relationship. That's not what we're saying. A monogamous relationship can feel stifling, especially if you do everything together. Instead, managing the pros and cons of an open relationship means having more people in your life.
So you're not a friend, go find some friends.
But do I repeat what I said earlier, that if I need that, then I'm not going to get married? It says you can explore and experience intimacy with more than one person, very much like you would with close friends. Well, I don't know if we experience intimacy with close friends. We don't know about that. What's the next one?
Developing the rules to balance the
No,
pros
you
and
leave out one.
more connection. No, more connections not married man. I get to know yourself.
Oh, get to know yourself, right.
Developing the rules to balance the pros and cons of an open relationship takes time and effort from both partners. So through this process, you learn much more about your needs, desires, and boundaries. You see? Takes time and effort. Then the time and effort where you're going to take to develop the open relationship.
Put the same
Then
time
you
and
put the
effort
time and effort in the other one.
in your personal relationship
Right.
with your wife. It says better communication. By the way, these are the pros. Open relationships can help you communicate honestly and openly. The more couples are willing to share more about themselves and their preferences, this creates trust and loyalty. Well, there was someone that says trust is the soul of a relationship.
Right.
So if trust is the soul of a relationship, why you want to be trusting everybody in the world? No, me don't play that. All right, here are the cons now.
Says fair. One of the key drawbacks of an open relationship is the emotional whirlwind you might have to deal with, because if you tend to want your partner for yourself, an open relationship might trigger too much anxiety and fear.
No might.
It's ugly.
No might, no that. It will.
ugly.
Jealousy. You might get envious of your partner's other person if you rely more on the primary relationship than they do.
Yes.
And it says often this insecurity comes from low self-esteem and fear
Every
of
morning.
uncertainty.
Mr. Neville, oh, you happy to forget smell Jamaica every morning? They said Vinette at work.
Yeah, Vinette. Me, I go
Vinette
say,
at work.
poor Vinette.
Secrecy. Without a solid foundation of trust and boundaries, it can be tempting to start lying about the other partner. So suddenly the primary relationship becomes secondary And what started as honesty becomes infidelity. So I say, open a Vinette at work this morning, make you get up around that smile and you say, Vinette? No, sir, Vinette not there.
But if you have...
And then I see the credits are roll and I see camera, Vinette.
Great, Vinette. But if you have an open relationship, then, you know, the infidelity no start from this already.
Okay.
Don't?
Well, apparently it's only when you lie about it.
Different expectations. Sometimes an open relationship is difficult to balance because both partners have different assumptions. If you can't align your beliefs about relationships, then an open one could just cause pain and suffering.
Because when you call open might be less open than what you call open.
I feel it when cause pain and suffering.
My open might be one person, your open might be everybody. No.
I'll be that cousin.
Yeah, oh my God. It's expensive. Well, see it here? Every Jamaican man right now say, okay, at this we not wait pan. It's not for us. Let's not forget the practicalities of life when we review the pros and cons. You'll have at least twice the amount of birthday presents to give, and that doesn't include dinners and other events. All right, cool. Jamaica man.
Yeah. You know, I am not here to tell anyone what to do. I have my personal opinion, and I don't believe in an open relationship. But if that saves your boat, then if it works
Spanish
for you,
don't not do it, though.
you can live with that. But I will end where I started, and I'm suggesting that if I think I need an open relationship, then it don't make sense that I get married to one person, unless plenty of people may all get married to, which don't make no sense either. I said it at the top of the show. I'm not certain if they were up, but I want to welcome my brother Michael and his wife Patty, who came down yesterday. I love you both like crazy, and I can't wait to see you both. And we will meet up later on. All right? Much love, my brother. Much love, Patty. Going to go for a break. Soon come. When we come back, our relationship closed.
It didn't open before?
As a matter of fact, it never
I need that picture, I need that picture.
You know, it's Vinette cause all of this, you know, because Vinette try much up a relationship, you know. We soon show you who Vinette is. Poor Vinette.